Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC can provide affordable 24-hour emergency towing in Framingham MA for your Framingham Tow Truck Company needs. We have a fleet of highly skilled operators, and tow trucks are always available to assist you with your Framingham Tow Truck Company needs. Towing Framingham MA is an affordable Framingham Tow Truck Company. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC has the right equipment and experience. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham can provide roadside or towing service in many areas of Framingham, and other cities in the area. We will take care of your Framingham towing and auto repair needs. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC. We are experts in Framingham Tow Truck Company. Framingham, Massachusetts is the location of Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC. Was founded to deliver expert auto towing and emergency roadside service, and Framingham Tow Truck Company needs at an affordable price to establish long-lasting customer relationships. We strive to exceed our customers' expectations and will do everything in our power to make your call a success. Our towing team brings years of experience to roadside and tow services. We are dedicated to providing the best towing experience. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC is your trusted local junk car and tow removal service. Serving all of Framingham's metropolitan area since the early 20th century, our junk car team can be relied on 24/7. Have you been stuck on the sidelines of the roads? As well as providing towing for your vehicle and other roadside service, we also offer these services. Our towing service can assist you with flat tire repairs, jump starting, as well as pulling you out of snow and mud. Flatbed trucks ensure that your vehicle is never damaged. Fuller drivers are skilled and professional in all aspects. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham delivers friendly, professional service with a fleet that is up to date. Drivers and staff are well trained, polite, and professionally dressed. Each of our services is always affordable, and we understand the importance to getting you back on track quickly. It is our goal to meet your needs with exceptional service. To establish long-lasting relationships and gain your trust, we pledge to exceed your expectations. People in the city of Framingham trusts us. Our Framingham Tow Truck Company service is available for assistance in the event of any trouble. Our customer assistance team is available 24/7, 7 days, to help you. We promise rapid response once you have called. You will be rushed to safety by our Fuller Tow Truck team. Framingham is home to many of our stranded motorists who are all happy with the service they receive. Knowing the inconveniences and risks of getting stuck behind the wheel of vehicle with suddenly broken down, we understand the frustration. To avoid this inconvenience, we ensure our friendly towing companies will be there for you within the shortest time possible. Even if we claim we will reach you in 15 minutes, our towing service can be reached in that time or even quicker. Time is a very important aspect of what we do. Every second of your time is valuable to us. We stand out from other towing firms because of our professionalism. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC is proud to ensure that all our workers have the necessary skills. Fuller Towing Service of Framingham LLC is not necessary if our mechanics are able to perform small repairs. For major malfunctions or damages, however, our mechanics will give advice to clients and suggest the best route to follow. Roadside assistance. Look no further if you want top-quality towing in Framingham. Fuller Towing Service of Framingham LLC offer a number of reliable towing options. Fuller Towing Services of Framingham LLC towing can provide long-distance towing services for your car, or just a tow from your house to your nearest mechanic. Because we have several tow trucks on our fleet, it is possible for us to handle many different vehicles. We have the ability to handle all your needs, whether you need delivery trucks or luxury cars. Get quality towing service in Framingham from us today. Modern towing cars are essential for delivering your work efficiently. You can safely tow any type of vehicle, provided you have the appropriate technology. If you are ready to deal with your Framingham car towing needs, give us a call.